Imagine this. Someone looks at you and says, "Tell me about yourself." Your mind goes blank. You don't know where to start. This happens to many English learners. But don't worry. Today, I will teach you an easy way to talk about yourself in English. This question is very common. You might hear it in a job interview. You might hear it when you meet new people. You might hear it in an English class. So, let's learn 4 simple steps. After that, you will never feel stuck again. First, say your name and where you are from. This is the easiest part. Start here. For example, "Hello, my name is Lynn. I am from Vietnam." Simple. Clear. Easy to remember. Second, talk about your job or your study. What do you do every day? For example, "I am a student. I study business." Or, "I work as a teacher." Keep it short and simple. Third, talk about your hobbies or interests. This part shows your personality. For example, "In my free time, I like reading books." Or, "I enjoy cooking and listening to music." People love learning about your interests. Fourth, end with something friendly or interesting. This makes people remember you. For example, "I love learning new things." Or, "Nice to meet you." A friendly ending leaves a good impression. Now, let's put it all together. Listen to Lynn's full introduction. Hello. My name is Lynn. I am from Vietnam. I am a student. I study business. In my free time, I like reading books and cooking. I am friendly, and I love learning new things. Nice to meet you. Short. Simple. Clear. Anyone can understand this in a few seconds. So, remember these 4 easy steps. Say your name and where you are from. Talk about your job or your study. Share your hobbies. End with something friendly. Practice this at home. Say it out loud. Next time someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," you will feel ready. You will feel confident. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.